everyone, it's Claire. It's good to have you here. Today I am going to make some balloon dog necklaces. Can you remember the balloons that you used to make, the different animals and different things? So I've actually got, I don't know if I can show you here, lots of them. I was going to make some earrings, but I think they're a bit too heavy. You'll have big holes in your ear loops. So I'm going to make some necklaces, and I thought I'd bring you along with me. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I've got lots of tutorials available, lots more planned. If you don't sell on Etsy, I've got videos of selling on Etsy, and I currently have, I think I currently have 28,000 sales on Etsy, but I have been going a long time. But I've got some helpful videos and also a link where you can have 40 free listings. So if you don't sell anything, it doesn't cost you a penny. But Etsy really has fantastic traffic for handmade jewellery. Yes, there are fees that you have to pay, but you need to factor them into your prices. And I do have an Etsy fee calculator. You can see what it will cost you. But nowhere will get the traffic for Etsy. I'm not affiliated with Etsy. I don't get anything from Etsy. But for handmade, especially this time of year, yeah, people are now buying for Christmas. So have a look in the links below. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, or like the video, or share the video. It helps us so much with our little animal rescue. I say little, it's not a huge big thing. I don't have land or anything, although I would love to, but it's all run from home, and we have little fur babies, fins and feathers. That'd be a good name, wouldn't it? Fur babies, fins and feathers. But it just helps with the vet bills. We have rats, and rats are prone to tumours. They don't live very long, probably 3 years, but I personally love rats. No animals or rats are in my storeroom or the room that I do filming. So you don't have to worry about pet hair or anything like that, unless it happens to be on me. That's enough about me. I prefer to be behind the camera. Let's make some balloon dog necklaces. Okay, so here we have our balloon dogs. I've got some pre-made necklace chains. These are 18 inches. I've got some split rings, which are like a double jump ring, and this is a tool for opening them. I've got my pliers, a couple of jewellery cards just to show you what I will put them on. As I said, I was going to make some earrings, but I think they might be too heavy. So we take pre-made necklace chain, 18 inches. Now I'm hoping these will just go through to save me opening. Yeah. So you open up near the end, and then you pop your charm. These are quite thick. I'm just using my pliers to thread them on. There we go. Then what I normally do is take the jump ring off the end, but with these, if you're anything like me, when I wear a necklace, I'm always fiddling, going backwards and forwards like this. So that's why I use the double jump ring. And that's how simple. And then what I do is I take a jewellery card, and then we have these stickers. You may not be able to see, but it says Jessica May, handmade with love, and that's what I call my jewellery. That's my daughter. That's my daughter's name. I only have the one daughter. So we pop them on the card. Take our balloon dog. and then I will pop it into a corresponding organza bag. I will use a pink one for this one. So how are you all doing? What projects are you working on at the moment, or what would you like to do? Have you started your Christmas shopping? I haven't. I'm one of these that usually leave it to the last minute. You don't have to put them on necklace chains. You can put them on cord necklaces. Different. You don't have to use black. There's lots of different colours. If you go to the website, lots of these supplies, except for the dogs, I will have to get some more in to sell. But lots of the supplies I use are available on my website, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. I'll put a link in the description below. And if you spend over £10, you'll receive 10% off your order. And all handmade, I have handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. There we go. Just use my pliers. There we have our balloon dogs. Those are left over. These are the ones on jewellery cards. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel or share the video. It's really appreciated. Thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.